Hey plant people, welcome back. You know, when I used to be a server at Chili's, I asked this large group of people if they had been there before. And when they said yes, I said, welcome back. And that moment has haunted me every day of my life. Anyway, so today's video is to update you on some of the plants that I have acquired in the last few months. I got a few during my birthday month, and then I just kind of went ham online buying plants after that. So a handful of these are some pretty rare ones. So stay tuned if you'd like to find out. So I'll start off with the not so rare. I actually got LASIK eye surgery a few weeks ago, and right after surgery I made my boyfriend take me plant shopping, even though I couldn't actually see anything. I couldn't keep my eyes open, and the farthest that I could see was about this far from my face. So I purchased this plant. This is Polynesian ivy. Oh, clearly it's been pushed up against a wall. It's pretty cool. It's got like these like black, not black, but like dark green and green leaves, and it's got a lot of new growth coming out, but it also has buds on it and things like that. I don't know much about Polynesian ivy. I'm gonna say it's native to Polynesia, but can't be sure. Whatever the case, it's beautiful and it's a pretty quick grower, so I figured why not. I got it at Lowe's, I want to say. The next one, because I've literally already dropped it like 5 times, is going to be this sterling dieffenbachia. What the heck? This bad boy I got online as well. I ordered it on Plant Purge USA, and it is beautiful, but it has already dealt with spider mites. So it's kind of on my crap list, if you know what I mean. But I am giving her another shot because she's just gorgeous. These deep green leaves with that striking white vein up the middle. I really can't get enough of it. The spider mites are actually gone. They were really easy to tackle and treat. If you're interested in a spider mite video, just let me know and I can go ahead and upload kind of what my regimen is as far as spider mites are concerned. But I do love dieffenbachia. They are really quick growers and pretty much carefree. This is a new leaf coming out here already, so yep, sterling dieffenbachia, and I have dirt in my mouth. Ew. Next on the list, we have got my beautiful Hoya. This is actually not a Hoya bilobata. I got this from Lowe's, and I talked to the Costa Farms people. This is DS-70, and DS-70 and bilobata are not the same thing. So this is my Hoya DS-70. I bought 3 of them when I saw them in Lowe's because I freaked out and feel like Lowe's never has anything cool or unique or good like this, and I almost purchased it online. I think a cutting for like $10. So I bought 3, and they are all still here in my house in various places, serving no real purpose other than to make me happy. This one is actually thirsty, I think. But yeah, so far I think I've only watered it like once since I got it, and it's been doing just fine. This is actually a lot of new growth that I've gotten off of it since I purchased it, and I love her. Hoya DS-70. Next, let's go ahead and show this big girl I just got the other day. This is a Monstera adansonii that I got from Plant Bar near my house, which I slightly regretted because I then went to McDonald's Garden Center afterwards and found one for like $15 cheaper. That was pretty big. But the leaves on here are pretty huge, and it was already on a totem, so I felt like that was a win. But if you can see, she is a big girl, and she's pretty full. I feel like I paid like $40 though, or something like that. No, $35, and it was only $33. That's how much I paid. Okay, that's not a terrible deal. That's not terrible. And she's gonna be sitting in my room for right now until I figure out what to do with her. So, Monstera adansonii, she is beautiful. Now for some of the more juicy items. We have got this pretty giant Rhaphidophora tetrasperma that I honestly cannot remember how much I paid for it. But regardless, it's a good size. It's got some bruised leaves. She's been struggling a little bit, just a little bit. Maybe I'm not giving it enough humidity, or my watering schedule is a little bit inconsistent. This is still the pot that it came in. I just put some more soil on top from the soil lost in shipping. But you know, for a shipped plant, she's holding on. She's holding on. And she really, really needs a totem, but probably not gonna put her on a totem this season. It'll probably be next year by the time I do something like that. But yes, I have another small Rhaphidophora tetrasperma, but it has no fenestrations or anything in the leaves, so I just wanted a big one. We have got this gorgeous Homalomena selby that I got from Botanicals. I cannot deal with how beautiful this plant is. In fact, I don't think I've given this plant enough attention, like telling it how beautiful it is every day, because it's gorgeous. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God. The leaf color, like the dimension, it's unbelievable. You don't get any spider mites, do you? Little spider mites around here. Nope, just a little dirt. It's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay. So, anyways, Homalomena selby. I can't remember how much I paid for this, but it doesn't matter because I wanted it. I wanted it so bad. I desperately needed it. So, it's beautiful size. It's been growing. It's pretty carefree, I would say. I just love it so much. Next, we have this Hoya macrophylla. I can't really remember where. I think I ordered this from a person, like from Plant Purge USA or something. And I still have not transplanted it into soil because I was thinking about doing this one semi-hydro because I have a bunch of leca, but I need to do more research on semi-hydro before I feel confident enough to put a plant in semi-hydro. But this is how big it is here. I don't remember how much I paid for this one either, but I think it was in the $20-something range. I think I need to put it in soil before she gives up on life, but I'm just so lazy. I know, I don't deserve her, but she's beautiful. Next up, we have got my Scindapsus treubii moonlight. This babe, I was super excited about this one. I got this one for a crazy good deal too. You can see here, definitely looks a lot like, you know, a pothos and stuff like that, but it is Scindapsus, first of all, and it hasn't put off any growth yet. This is the only beginner, like, kind of growth point that I've got, but I just potted this up like a week ago, so I'm not expecting too much. But next season, I know this girl's gonna have so much hang time. Look at her. Look at her. I'm super excited about that. So my Scindapsus treubii moonlight. You probably saw her on my Instagram already. Over here, we have got my Philodendron pedatum that I was super gassed about getting. I did not want to spend a whole lot of money on it, and people were charging kind of insane prices. So I think I paid maybe like 28 or something. It's got one leaf that's gonna go, but I'm just letting it hold on until it's ready to fully come off. But it's pretty full. It's got, you know, it's really healthy. You can see how much I've got it hooked up with a clip here, but definitely got a decent amount of stems on it. It's putting out some new growth up there. I have it sitting under my grow light, so I think it's pretty happy. All in all, love this plant. So happy I got it. Last but not least, y'all, I have been wanting this plant. I don't even know how long I've been wanting it, but I couldn't stop thinking about it. I finally just bit the bullet and bought it, paid a little lot of money for it, but I wasn't gonna pay over $100 for it like some people were asking. But are you ready for my Philodendron Florida Ghost? You probably already saw this one on my Instagram as well if you follow me, but if not, surprise, I got one. I am so freaking excited about having this one in my collection. I wish I would have gotten one earlier in the season so that I would be able to see it, you know, put off a whole bunch of growth. But since, you know, we're going into winter and everything now, I guess I'll just have to wait. But that's fine, because this one is gorgeous. I think I paid like 70. Never mind, I'm not gonna say how much I paid for it because my boyfriend might look at this video. And for whatever reason, I'm dumb and I painted the pot and I don't really, no, it's not working out. Oh, you can't even see it. Well, that's fine. Oh, there it is. It's bubbling. The paint is bubbling, so it looks disgusting. But this was supposed to be my little ghosty, spooky pot for my little spooky girl. She's so perfect. If you get a chance to get your hands on one of these, buy it. Buy every single one that you see because they are so perfect. It does look a whole lot like my my pedatum, which somebody thinks that they're a hybrid between a pedatum and something else, maybe the Florida Beauty, I'm not sure. I also want a variegated Florida Beauty so bad. So if you know anyone selling one or willing to give some cuttings, let a girl know, because I'm right there. I'm right there. And don't tell my boyfriend how much money I'm spending on plants. But yeah, so my Florida ghost will be happily in my home next to my pedatum and all my other pretty little girls. So I do believe that that's it. I think I have a couple of other plants that I got randomly, but none that are really, you know, like rare or like a super big deal. My dad did get me a money tree and a bromeliad for my birthday, but other than that, I think that you guys have seen all of my new plants. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed my rare plant slash semi-regular plant haul. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to find any of these plants for cheaper, and if so, where you got them, because I'll help you if you help me. Otherwise, you know that I've told you that I have gotten a handful of my plants at Lowe's, the place Plant Bar by my house, and then Plant Purge USA is the #1 place to snag cheap plants. I mean, people just want to, you know, pass on their plants to other plant lovers and everything. So it's a group on Facebook. It's the best thing and the worst thing that ever happened to me and my wallet. So anyways, yeah, I will catch you guys in the comments. And if you're not already, feel free to subscribe to my Instagram, Frolics with Foliage, at Frolics with Foliage. And yeah, please subscribe and like this video and tell all your planty friends. Have a good night, y'all.